To give your coffee shop a strong brand personality, follow these steps. Describe your brand. To begin, describe your brand's beliefs, personality, and the people you want to reach. This will help you give your business a consistent message and look that your people will recognize. Create a brand plan. This should include how you want to position your brand, what you want to say about it, and how you want it to look. You should study your competition, the market, and the people you want to sell to. Make your own brand story. It's important for a coffee shop to have its own brand story and voice so that it stands out from the others and has a strong personality. A brand story should talk about the coffee shop's history, beliefs, and personality. It can talk about where the coffee beans come from, what inspired the style of the coffee shop, and what the business's goal is. Make a brand speech. The voice of your brand should show who you are and what you stand for. This includes the voice, words, and ideas that are used in all forms of communication, from social media to store signs. It should show the personality and values of the company and connect with the audience. For instance, a coffee shop with a friendly and fun brand voice might use funny and joyful language in its messages. If you're wondering how to apply these concepts, our customized marketing course for the coffee shop sector is designed to give you actionable insights, complete with real-life examples to avoid costly mistakes. Check out the link in the description and the first pinned comment. Design. Elements of design make it easier to recognize a brand. They also help build the brand's picture. This includes making a logo, color scheme, fonts, packaging, interior design, and other visible elements that show who the brand is and what it stands for. To build brand loyalty and recognition, it's important that all of your channels have the same visual character. Being consistent is very important. For a brand to have a strong personality, it needs to be consistent across all touchpoints, like the store experience, packaging, social media, and ads. Customers are more likely to trust and recognize a company that stays true to its identity. Watch and change. As your business grows and changes, you should look over your brand identity and make any necessary changes. Keep an eye on what your customers say, market trends, and the competition to make sure your brand stays current and consistent. A strong brand personality connects with customers on an emotional level and makes them more loyal, which leads to brand equity. Coffee shops can set themselves apart from the competition and give customers a memorable experience by creating a brand identity that is uniform across all touchpoints. One important step is to figure out what the brand stands for, who it's for, and what it wants to achieve. This will help the interior designers make decisions that are in line with the brand's personality. For instance, if the brand cares about the environment, designing the inside with eco-friendly materials might be a top concern. Making a visual identity that shows the brand's personality and ideals is another important part. This includes making a logo, picking a color scheme, and picking fonts that match the brand's general look. Every part of the interior design, from the materials and textures to the furniture, should show this visual identity. To build brand trust and recognition, it's important to be consistent across all touch points. This means making sure that the style and message of the brand are the same in all forms of communication, from social media to store signs. The main goal is to give each customer a unique and memorable brand experience that fits with the brand's personality and speaks to their needs. For the most part, the materials and textures used in coffee shop interior design should match the brand's personality, beliefs, and customers. It can help make a consistent and memorable business experience that makes the coffee shop stand out from others in the same field. If you found this video helpful, you'll love our customized marketing course for the coffee shop sector, where we dive even deeper into these topics with real-life case studies. The course link is in the description and the first pinned comment.